The density of an object is its mass per unit volume. So as an equation, that is density equals mass divided by volume. Remember, we can measure the mass using a pan balance and the volume of an object by submerging it in water. In symbol form, that is ρ equals m over v. The mass is measured in kilograms. The volume is measured in meters cubed, and therefore the density is measured in kilograms per meter cubed. This equation will be given to you in an exam, but you need to understand how to use it with the correct units. Let's have a look at an example using this equation. Steel has a density of 8,050 kilograms per meter cubed. Calculate the volume of a 4-gram screw made from steel to two significant figures. So for step 1, let's list the key information and check the units. The density is given to be 8,050 kilograms per meter cubed. The mass is given as 4 grams. So 4 grams becomes 0.004 kilograms. And we want to calculate the volume. For step 2, let's rearrange the density equation to make volume the subject. We can do that by multiplying both sides of the equation by the volume and then dividing both sides of the equation by density to give us volume is equal to mass divided by density. Then for step 3, let's substitute in the values to calculate the volume. So the volume is equal to 0.004 kilograms divided by 8,050 kilograms per meter cubed. That gives us 4.968 times 10 to the minus 7 meters cubed. Then finally for step 4, let's round to two significant figures. So we have 4.968 times 10 to the minus 7 meters cubed. Our first two figures are 4.9 and our third significant figure is 6. So we need to round up. That gives us 5.0 times 10 to the minus 7 meters cubed as the volume of the screw. It's really important to round up as we might lose marks if we don't.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!